The year is 2019, a year that will be remembered for its remarkable contributions to science and our understanding of the world around us. Scientists around the world are making incredible strides in their quest to understand our planet and the vast universe we inhabit. From the depths of the oceans to the far reaches of space, their relentless pursuit of knowledge is uncovering secrets that have eluded humanity for centuries. Two groundbreaking discoveries in particular have captured the imagination of the public and ignited a firestorm of excitement within the scientific community. These discoveries are not just milestones, they are beacons of human curiosity and ingenuity. In a remote cave in the Philippines, researchers have unearthed fossil evidence of a previously unknown human species. This discovery has opened a new chapter in the story of human evolution, providing insights into our ancient ancestors and their way of life. At the same time, astronomers have achieved the seemingly impossible, capturing the first-ever image of a black hole, a celestial object so dense that not even light can escape its gravitational pull. This monumental achievement has not only confirmed long-standing theories but has also opened new avenues for understanding the cosmos. These two discoveries, though vastly different in scale and scope, share a common thread. They both represent the pinnacle of human curiosity and the relentless drive to explore the unknown. They both challenge our preconceived notions and force us to reevaluate our place in the grand scheme of things. They remind us that the universe is far more complex and wondrous than we can ever imagine. The discovery of Homo Luzonensis, as this new human species has been named, adds another layer of complexity to the already intricate tapestry of human evolution. It suggests that our evolutionary history is far more intricate and intertwined than previously thought. Meanwhile, the image of the black hole provides stunning confirmation of Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity, a cornerstone of modern physics. This image is a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the collaborative spirit of the scientific community. These discoveries serve as powerful reminders of the boundless wonders that await us in our exploration of the natural world. They highlight the importance of scientific inquiry and the endless possibilities that lie ahead. They ignite our curiosity, fuel our imagination, and inspire us to keep asking the fundamental questions about who we are, where we came from, and what else might be out there. They encourage the next generation of scientists to dream big and to never stop exploring. In the sections that follow, we will delve deeper into each of these groundbreaking discoveries, exploring their significance and the profound implications they hold for our understanding of humanity and the universe we call home. We will journey through the meticulous research, the challenges faced, and the triumphs celebrated by the scientists who made these discoveries possible. Deep within the heart of Luzon, the largest island in the Philippines, lies a subterranean labyrinth known as Callao Cave. This cave, with its intricate network of chambers and tunnels, has long been a subject of fascination for both locals and scientists alike. Its entrance, a yawning mouth in the limestone cliffs, beckons explorers into its depths, promising secrets hidden from the light of day for millennia. This seemingly unremarkable cave, shrouded in darkness and silence, holds secrets to a distant past, a time when our ancient human relatives roamed the earth. The air inside is cool and damp, carrying with it the weight of history. Stalactites and stalagmites formed over thousands of years stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time. It was here, in 2007, that a team of archaeologists, led by Dr. Armand Mijares of the University of the Philippines, embarked on an expedition that would rewrite the story of human evolution. Armed with tools and a deep sense of curiosity, they ventured into the cave, driven by the hope of uncovering traces of the earliest humans to set foot in the Philippines. Their initial goal was to search for evidence of the first humans to arrive in the Philippines. They meticulously examined the cave floor, sifting through layers of sediment, each one a page in the geological history book of the region. Every rock, every grain of sand was a potential clue. Little did they know they were about to stumble upon something far more extraordinary. As they dug deeper, their excitement grew. The cave began to reveal its secrets, one fragment at a time. After years of painstaking excavation, sifting through layers of sediment that had accumulated over millennia, they unearthed a collection of ancient bones and teeth. Each discovery was a piece of a puzzle, slowly coming together to form a picture of a world long gone. These were not the remains of modern humans, they were something altogether different. The bones were ancient, their surfaces worn by time, yet they held within them stories waiting to be told. The fossils, 13 in total, included hand and foot bones, teeth, and a partial femur. Each bone was carefully catalogued and analyzed, revealing details about the individuals to whom they once belonged. They belonged to at least 3 individuals, and based on their size and shape, the researchers could immediately tell that these were not the bones of Homo sapiens, our own species. The differences were subtle, yet significant, hinting at a unique lineage. These were the remains of a previously unknown human species, one that lived and died on the island of Luzon tens of thousands of years ago. This discovery added a new branch to the human family tree, suggesting that the story of human evolution was far more complex than previously thought. The discovery sent shockwaves through the scientific community, challenging long-held assumptions about the course of human evolution. Researchers from around the world flocked to study the findings, eager to learn more about this mysterious new species and what it could tell us about our own origins. The new human species, dubbed Homo Luzonensis after the island where it was discovered, possessed a unique mosaic of physical traits, some of which were remarkably primitive, harking back to our ancient hominin ancestors. This discovery was made in the Callao Cave on Luzon Island in the Philippines, where archaeologists unearthed bones and teeth that were unlike any they had seen before. Their teeth, for instance, were small and simple, similar to those of Australopithecus, an early hominin that lived in Africa millions of years ago. These teeth were not only small, but also had a unique shape that set them apart from other known hominin species. The simplicity of their dental structure suggested a diet that was quite different from that of other hominins living in the region at the time. Their finger and toe bones were curved, suggesting that they were adept at climbing trees, a trait also seen in earlier hominins. This curvature indicates that Homo luzonensis might have spent a significant amount of time in the trees, perhaps for foraging or avoiding predators. This arboreal lifestyle is a fascinating glimpse into how diverse hominin adaptations could be, even within relatively close geographical areas. However, other features of Homo luzonensis were more modern, resembling those of later hominins, including Homo sapiens. For example, the shape of their molars and the structure of their lower jaw showed similarities to modern humans. This combination of primitive and modern traits in a single species is what makes Homo luzonensis so intriguing and significant in the study of human evolution. This intriguing blend of primitive and derived traits suggested that Homo luzonensis represented a distinct branch of the human family tree, one that had evolved in isolation on the island of Luzon for hundreds of thousands of years. The isolation of Luzon Island likely played a crucial role in the unique evolutionary path of Homo luzonensis, allowing them to develop traits that were both ancient and modern. The discovery of Homo luzonensis sent ripples through the scientific community, forcing paleoanthropologists to reassess their understanding of human evolution in Southeast Asia. It opened up new questions about how these early humans arrived on the island and how they managed to survive in such an isolated environment. It had long been thought that the region was relatively late to be populated by hominins, with Homo erectus, a species that first appeared in Africa nearly 2 million years ago, being the first to venture out of Africa and into Southeast Asia. However, the discovery of Homo luzonensis suggests that there were multiple waves of hominin migration into Southeast Asia, each bringing different species with unique adaptations. The discovery of Homo floresiensis, a diminutive human species found on the Indonesian island of Flores in 2003, had already challenged this view, pushing back the timeline for hominin presence in the region. Homo floresiensis, often referred to as the Hobbit due to its small stature, showed that Southeast Asia was home to a diverse range of hominin species, each with its own unique evolutionary history. Now, with the unearthing of Homo luzonensis, it was becoming increasingly clear that the story of human evolution in Southeast Asia was far more complex and intriguing than previously imagined. These discoveries highlight the importance of Southeast Asia in the broader narrative of human evolution, revealing a region rich with evolutionary experiments and adaptations. The discovery underscores the remarkable diversity of the human lineage. It serves as a reminder that our species is but one twig on a vast and intricate evolutionary tree, a tree that is still being pieced together. The fact that multiple human species, each with its own unique set of physical characteristics and adaptations, coexisted in Southeast Asia during the late Pleistocene, is a testament to the adaptability and resilience of our ancient ancestors. It also highlights the importance of island environments in driving evolutionary change. Islands, often geographically isolated from mainland areas, can act as natural laboratories of evolution, where species may evolve in unique ways in response to the specific environmental pressures they face. The discovery of and suggests that the islands of Southeast Asia may have been home to a remarkable diversity of human species, each adapted to its own particular island niche. The discovery raises more questions than it answers. Where did this species come from? How did they reach the island of Luzon? How did they interact with other hominin species in the region, including who are known to have been present in Southeast Asia at the same time? These are just a few of the many intriguing questions that anthropologists are now grappling with as they attempt to piece together the evolutionary history of this remarkable new addition to our ever-growing family tree.